Previously on Can She Make It? You know you don't want to eat that yet. It's hot.
It's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
No.
Ooh.
Hot.
See?
I didn't blow that one.
You didn't what?
Maybe we should wait a few minutes.
Y'all, he literally burnt his eyelid from pizza sauce from cutting a pizza because we went back to the grocery store and bought another prosciutto pizza. And instead of waiting for a minute or two to cut it, or letting me cut it, he cut it himself.
And I got sauce on my finger.
And he got sauce on his finger.
And I shook it.
He went like this.
And
And
hit me
the
in the eye.
sauce flew and hit his eyelid.
And proof of how hot it is, it literally burnt my eyelid. I've got like scarred tissue up there. Ooh, maybe go with some crackers too. And I still have a pack.
Oh,
You didn't eat them all.
I thought I'd eaten them all.
See, this helps cool it down too.
See, he can't just be satisfied with what I've made. He has to add to it. Then again, he would do this with the canned soup as well.
Potato Leek Soup. Pretty good.
Can she make it?
She can make it.
Yes!
This one is better than the vegetable. Hey, you really can't even taste the onions in it.
Well, it's because they're not onions, they're leeks.
If it looks like an onion and it smells like an onion, it makes your eyes cry like an onion.
Technically, I didn't cry when I cut it. You like I did.
Yeah, when you cut the cheese, I cried.
Is he gonna eat a full bowl without complaint?
Mm-hmm.
Like without any like, oh, it could use this or that or the other? Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
So yes, this is now the best soup you've made.
I'm gonna call this a win, folks. All right, if you have not yet, be sure to check out the playlist for the Can She Make It series. And it will have everything that I've done so far in June and July. And, yeah. Comment below if you have any recipe suggestions, because I'm sure by the time that this one airs, I might be out of ideas. I learned a new skill in this one, and that's how to cut leeks. And I think I did it pretty well. Alright, I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Come back on Monday to see another kitchen video. This time I tackle sweet potato and leek soup, but I add a twist to it and prank my husband. Alright, well, stay tuned for a couple cut scenes. See you next week. I don't like the way that foods leak into the plastic.
Pun intended? No.
Well, in this case, no, but yes. The whatever you make, the plastic, and it smells like it. So then the next thing you make sort of smells like it. So I'm worried that my next smoothie will taste like leek.
Well, you could make us one and find out.
Not right now. What I'm going to do is, oh my God, it smells so bad. At least it doesn't smell like it.
Well, if you do it it now, that's the ultimate test of does it leak into your next item.
Did you say leek?
Yes, I did.
Oh, yeah, it smells bad. Why? 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 You know what I don't like about the Ace Plus blender?
No, dear. What?
Wow, that was a really bad. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to say.